Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable products for your everyday needs. Today, we have a game changer for your vehicle maintenance routine, the SAMIKIVA tire stem valve caps. These heavy-duty caps are a must-have for anyone who values performance, durability, and safety. If you're looking for the best tire air cover cap, this is the product for you. The SAMIKIVA tire stem valve caps come in a 30-pack, which means you get plenty to replace every valve cap on your car, SUV, truck, motorcycle, or even your bicycle. These caps are designed to fit universally, making them incredibly versatile for different vehicle types. Whether you're driving a sedan, an SUV, or a motorcycle, these caps will fit like a glove. What makes these tire valve caps stand out is the rubber ring included in each cap. This small but crucial feature ensures an airtight seal, preventing any air leakage. If you've ever had a valve cap that doesn't fit properly or wears down too quickly, you know how frustrating it can be. With the SAMIKIVA caps, you don't have to worry about air loss during long drives, giving you peace of mind while you're on the road. Another fantastic feature of these caps is how easy they're to install. The design includes stripes around the top dome shape, which makes them easier to grab and tighten. No more fumbling around with slippery valve caps, trying to get a good grip. Simply screw them on, and you're good to go. Durability is a big factor when it comes to vehicle accessories, and SAMIKIVA has nailed it with these valve caps. They're made of high-quality plastic and rubber, ensuring that they can withstand the toughest conditions. Whether it's extreme heat or cold, rain, or dust, these valve caps will keep your tires properly sealed. In terms of value, this 30-pack is hard to beat. At only $3.99, you're paying less than 15 cents per cap, a small investment for ensuring the longevity of your tires and maintaining optimal tire pressure. Plus, these caps are not just for cars. They're perfect for trucks, motorcycles, and even bicycles, offering a wide range of uses. Lastly, SAMIKIVA offers excellent after-sales service. They stand behind their product, so if you have any issues, their team is ready to assist. This ensures that your purchase is hassle-free and that you'll have support whenever you need it. In conclusion, the SAMIKIVA tire stem valve caps are the perfect combination of practicality, durability, and affordability. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, these caps will ensure that your tire valves stay sealed and secure. So, if you're in need of new valve caps, this is the best tire air cover cap you can buy. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future product reviews. See you next time.